Hey everybody, this is Wendy at The Broken Needle, and today I'm going to show you another quick and simple gift that you can whip out in under 5 minutes. I found this project at sofarhome.com. If you go to sofarhome.com, they have detailed instructions and the templates for this project. It is a cute jelly bean hand warmer. The template comes in small, medium, and large sizes, and if you change the fabric, you can make a cute little coffee bean. They also have these cute little tags that you can print out to attach to your hand warmer. Make sure to set your printer to print at 100% and measure this bar right here to make sure it is exactly 8 inches long. This free template comes in sizes small, medium, and large. For each jelly bean, we need 2 pieces of fabric. Put them right sides together. Grab my large jelly bean template, put it right in the middle here, and I'm going to pin it in place. Now just grab a marking tool and trace around your template, right onto the fabric. See this dotted line right here? That's where we're going to be sewing, a 1/4 inch from the inside of the mark. See, this is the mark, but we're going to actually sew a 1/4 inch inside of it. Also on your template, see the dot right here? That's where we're going to place a mark for our ribbon. We need a piece of ribbon about 4 inches long. Because this goes in the microwave, make sure to use 100% cotton ribbon, thread, and fabric. Here I'm making my mark so I know where to place my ribbon. I'm also going to make a couple of marks down here so that I can remember to stop and leave a hole for turning right side out. I pin my pieces together and I'm going to cut my jelly bean out right on the line. At the machine, we're going to start here where we placed our mark for our ribbon, and we put the ribbon wrong sides together with the loop facing towards the inside of our jelly bean. And get this open here, and then I'm going to place the ribbon right here and then pin it in place. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do a back stitch first, and then I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch all the way around. Make sure to back stitch at the end. In order to reduce bulk, we're going to make several little clips such as this around our jelly bean. This makes it much easier and neater looking when turning out our jelly bean. Do this very carefully so you don't clip into your seam. This is called a turnout tool. Push the tube down in our jelly bean or whatever else you may want to turn out. It also comes with a wooden dowel with a curved side. Push the fabric down inside the tube. And voila! It's already out. Now I use the dowel to continue pushing out the sides. Now we need to fill our jelly beans. In order to do that, we need rice and some essential oil. I'm going to use sweet orange. Just add a couple of drops. And stir it up. Just mix it all in. Next, we need a funnel. You can use the top of a bottle, or a piece of paper, or a real funnel if you have one, and fill her up. Now we need to close up the hole. You can use a whip stitch, but I'm going to use a ladder stitch. I think the ladder stitch looks more clean. We go up through the fold and back over to the other fold on the opposite side, right in here. Back to the other side. Continue sewing back and forth across on opposite sides until you close up the entire hole. Ta-da! Jelly bean hand warmers complete!